The manufacturer was established in 2013. Located in Shundai, Foshan, Guangdong, the company has invested more than 30 million RMB in total, with a paint areas of 10,000 square meters. Company accepts ODM, OEM from all over the world. The company owns 5 workshops. Mold workshop focus on mold design and development. Injection workshop, profession, injection water filter, and waterway pressure parts. Membrane workshop, dust-free workshop, auto production of high-end film rolling. Filter workshop, high-speed spin welding. Assembly workshop, high-quality parts, lean production workshop. The company's mission is to provide customers with green, environmental friendly, safe and high-quality filter elements to improve the user's healthy water drinking life. If you are looking for a manufacturer like this, please come and contact me.